Here we have a 66 plate BMW 430D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels. We do also have the blue brake calipers behind. We have the mineral grey metallic paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Coming round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We do also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler on the tailgate. Now we also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the twin pipe exhaust on the left along with the rear diffuser, and there's a look at the back. If you just take a look inside of the boot, just open it up like so, you find we have a decent amount of space. It does go quite far back inside of here. We also have the extra storage pockets on the left and the right hand side. Handle just underneath here so we can pull the boot back down. And coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look now at the interior, so coming into the back first, I'll just fold the front seat forward. You can see we have the full leather seats. We have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Now again at the front we have the same leather seats, with both the front seats being heated and also electrically adjustable. The driver's side has the memory function. Got the electric mirrors and electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you'll find the dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. We do have paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, speedometer and the cruise control on the left, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Got the main screen in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also has many more features on here, you would have seen all of them on the photos, but if we go through them, we do have the buttons down here. Click onto media, you find the radio stations. We also have the other options just here. If you go over to the left, you can scroll through the other options. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. If we go onto the main menu, we can then scroll through all the other features just here. Further down though, you find the events. We also have the dual zone climate control. We have the heated seats either side and the ice cold air conditioning, all working as they should do. Again, further down, we've got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. If we just press onto these buttons, then we can quickly switch between the drive modes. We also have the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Leave the drive mode in comfort for now. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the cup holders just underneath there. We also have a manual handbrake and the armrest as well in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 430D XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fight with the steering wheel to keep in a straight line, now veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap all the paddles and it will change gear. We have the speedometer and the cruise control buttons here on the left hand side, along with the phone connectivity and the volume buttons just here on the right. We then have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, can easily do 2, 3, over 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them at cold winter mornings. We also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. If you do listen carefully as well though throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it will be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also it is full of many more features you would have seen on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, we also have the phone connectivity. Below there we then have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers with the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth through all the gears. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so if we put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down and wait for the car to go past. I'm going to take the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. On onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.